fractions word problems. Find 1.5 less than 7 3 by 8. These are mixed fractions. So first of all we will change these fractions into improper. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 that is 3 by 2, and this will be 7 8s are 56 plus 3 that is 59 by 8. So we have to find 3 by 2 less than 59 by 8. So we have to subtract the numbers. So 59 by 8 minus 3 by 2. So to do the subtraction, both of these are unlike fractions. So we will take the LCM, and LCM of this will be 8. Now we will make both the denominators same. It comes out to be 59 because here is 8 only. Here is 2, 2 4s are 8. So 4 will be multiplied with 3. 4 3s are 12. Now subtract both the numbers. 59 minus 12 that is 47 by 8. Now you have to change the answer into mixed fraction. So we will divide 47 by 8. 8 5s are 40. 7 will be remainder and 8 will be in the division. Next is what is to be added to this number 2 and 1 by 9 to get 3.5. So first of all we will change these mixed fraction into improper. 9 2s are 18 plus 1 that is 19 by 9. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. So what is to be added to this? So इसमें क्या ऐड करें कि ये बन जाए? तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to subtract this number from this one. तो इसमें से इसे subtract करना पड़ेगा. So according to the question we will have 7 by 2 minus 19 by 9. Again let us take the LCM. LCM कोई भी co-prime numbers का उसका multiplication होता है. So LCM of co-prime numbers is the product of the numbers. 2 9s are 18. So we will just cross multiply. 9 7s are 63 and 19 2s are 38. So after subtraction we will get 25 by 18. Now again we will change this mixed fraction into this improper fraction into mixed one. 18 ones are 18, 7 is the remainder and divisor is 18. So this will be your answer. Next is what is to be subtracted from 5 and 1 by 5 to get 2 and 1 by 6. So what is to be subtracted from this? So this is simple. आप ये बिल्कुल सीधा क्वेश्चन है. आपको पूछा गया what is to be subtracted from this to get this. तो हमें इसमें से इसे माइनस कर देना है and then we will get the answer. First of all change the improper fraction. 5 5s are 25 plus 6 26 by 5 और ये होगा 6 2s are 12 plus 1 that is 13 by 6. So we will subtract both the numbers. Take the LCM. 5 और 6 दोनों ही co-prime है तो इसका LCM होगा इसका product. 6 5s are 30. Now we will just cross multiply. 6 को मैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 26 के साथ we will get 156 and 5 into 13 that is 65. Subtract कर दो we will get 91 by 30. Next step again इसको mixed fraction में change करना है. 33s are 90. 1 will be remainder divided by 30. So this will be our answer. Next is sum of two fractions is given that is 9. If one of them is 4 and 3 by 4, find the other. Sum of two fractions. This is the same question as we have done here. Both the questions are same. Just the way of asking the question is different. So here sum is given. Sum is 9. One fraction is 4 and 3 by 4. 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 19 by 4. So other fraction we have to find. Other fraction, how we will find other fraction? We will subtract one fraction from the sum. So 9 minus 19 by 4. Here is nothing, so you can put here 1. Now take the LCM. Again LCM of 1 and 4 will be 4. So we will cross multiply. 9 4s are 36 minus 19. So it comes out to be 17 by 4. Now change this fraction into mixed one. So 4 4s are 16. 1 will be remainder divided by 4 and 1 by 4 will be the answer. I hope you understand it.